What's poppin', y'all? It's Michouxllc. Thank you for coming to see me, because I wanted to see you. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year. Oh my gosh. And it is one of my reset days. As you can see, I bought some new sheets for my bed. I don't buy them every week, but when I do, it's a fun day. So I also got some new pillows. But I accidentally got them in king size, but it's okay. Big pillows are always fun. I'm gonna just go back and get smaller ones to match these ones. But I got these ones because I wanted memory foam pillows to go with my memory foam mattress. So, I could be sleeping right all the time. But yeah, so my reset days. I typically do what I need to do and what I want to do on my reset days to help me get ready for the week. You'll see when I show y'all. Side note, ignore these wrinkly ass pillows. They're clean. I didn't know they was wrinkly, but we're here. We're surviving. But yeah, bed is made. And now I can start my day. So I'm going to be heading to the gym because I always go to the gym on my reset days. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. Enjoy the video. Happy reset. I didn't talk to y'all this whole video. I'm talking kind of funny because of the mask, but I came back from the gym, did my little shower, face routine. Now I'm doing a little mask because I'll be feeling like my face be needing it, on my little reset day. After this, I'm gonna check my to-do list to see if there's anything else that I've missed, and that will literally be my reset. I think, unless there's something on my to-do list that I didn't pay attention to, but yeah. Alright, so I'm about to start cleaning, scrubbing down my chicken with the lemon and the vinegar and the salt. And then I'm going to do a little boil. And then after I boil it, I'm going to season it. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it chill overnight so I could make some food the next day. Now it is the end of the day, and I just like to burn my candle. It's warm scented. I like a lot of warm scents, especially during the winter / spring. Just light a candle, set the mood, calm down while I watch something on the TV. What do you guys like to do right before bed? on reset day to wind down before you take over your week? Let me know down below. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you a real one. Comment green hearts down below if you made it this far into the video. And I like to end my nights with a little bit of humor, so of course I'm gonna be watching Zoe, cause that's my person. That's my person to watch. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And per usual, come back, come see me, cause you know your girl wanna see you. Okay, period.